Superheroes are all around us. Choose your favorite. This is Deadpool's cooking show. He's ready to go. Let's cook a burger. I'm gonna show you who is boss. Flour. It's a fight. And where's my bun? Here it is. Let's cover everything in blood. Oh, I mean ketchup. Hey Deadpool, you're a newbie. Didn't you know that the producers already made you the best burger in the world? Add red food coloring to pre-made yeast dough. Shape a bun. Let the dough rise for 30 minutes. Bake it for 20 minutes at 355 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the ready bun. Add black food coloring to ground beef. Add spices to taste. Fry the patty. Coat half of the bun with ketchup. Put on lettuce. Add the patty on top. Cut eyes out of cheese. Cover with the other half of the bun. And stick in a skewer with a Deadpool logo. Alright, fine. Let's taste this burger. Wow, this is really delicious. Messing with Harley Quinn is a bad idea. You, move. This couch is mine. So, how you doing, sweetheart? You need a special treat to cheer Harley up. Quinn Nutella will be perfect. Wrap a spoon in polymer clay. Shape the handle into a baseball bat. Put it into a mug with foil and bake it according to the package instructions. Color the hardened clay with acrylic paint. Add Harley Quinn's iconic bat pattern. Pour 1½ ounces of warmed heavy cream into 3½ ounces of white chocolate. Add pink food coloring and stir it well. Make blue glaze the same way. Put the glaze into pastry bags. Fill a clean Nutella jar with 2 kinds of glaze at the same time. Attach a printed label. Wrap light yarn around a cardboard roll. Carefully take it off and cut out. Tie the tail with a rubber band. Color the tips of the tails pink and blue. Hot glue the tails to the cap of the jar. Serve with the baseball bat spoon. Dessert! Let's try it! Here, take a spoon, Harley. I mean, a bat. Oh! This Nutella is as sweet as my personality. But it won't save you anyway. Get out of here! Nutella Quinn is my love. Time for lunch. I smell food. Hungry Bruce Banner will turn into Hulk very soon, and you better not stand in his way. An earthquake? Nope, Hulk just came into the kitchen. If you don't give him food, it's gonna be bad. Shh, stay calm. I have something for you. This is a special scramble for Hulk. Process 1½ ounces of spinach and 3 eggs in a blender. Add salt and pepper to taste. Put green peas and beans into a square mold. Pour the eggs mix on top. Bake for 20 minutes at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Dear Hulk, enjoy! Just don't destroy the kitchen! Wow, this is good! Hulk loves healthy food! His hunger is handled, and Hulk is back to being cute Bruce Banner again. You are not you when you are hungry. We have a very dark visitor at our cafe. This girl is hiding something. She ordered French fries. But her sauce looks like a scary alien monster. In a saucepan, mix 4½ ounces of melted butter with 2 tablespoons of flour on low heat. Pour in 12 ounces of milk. Add salt to taste and add 5½ ounces of cheese. Stir the sauce. Remove it from the stove. Add black food coloring. Put it into a plastic sauce container. Attach a printed label to it. Put in French fries and serve it with the black sauce. Enjoy it, Venom! Venom is always hungry, and he loves French fries. Are you full? Good job! Now, let's get out of here before someone figures us out. Thor is on vacation. Chips, movies, and soda. He kinda lost his figure. Thank goodness no one can see him. No more soda? That's a problem, but not for Thor. He'll get his Thor Coke right now. Add some pearl dust to clear soda. Pour it into a Coca Cola bottle. Attach a label with lightning bolts. There it is, all the way over there. I need to get up. It's hard. The muscles on my stomach won't let me get off the couch. But Thor can handle any challenge. Here it is, my Thor Coke. Oh no! Odin, bring me a bottle opener. Okay, my hammer is fine too. Great! I need a snack. Wonder Woman chips will make my workday better. Coat chips with gold pearl dust. And put in the chips. But someone stole my gold chips. Was it you? No, I didn't even touch them. Fine, I'll take things into my own hands. I'll interrogate everyone. How dare you steal chips from Wonder Woman? You'll tell me all your darkest and deepest secrets. Captain America is a wimp? Thank goodness he has no idea. Do you really want to be taken to jail? Maybe next time. And here's what I've been looking for. Don't even lie that you don't eat after 6 p.m. Are you having a party here or something? Come on, back to work. The boss caught us at the worst possible moment again. At least I got my chips back. Blub, 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 blub. Waiter, can I get an Aquaman latte and a still water for my friend? Attach a sticker with an Aquaman logo to a glass. Pour in some latte. Add blue food coloring to whipped cream. And put it on top of the coffee. Add a few drops of coloring on top. Make waves on the cream using a skewer. It's simple. This guy is on a date with a fish. Blub blub. I know. And here's your order. Aqua latte for me. And water for you. Settle in. Let's discuss the latest news of the Pacific Ocean. Well, cheers! Blub blub, blub 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 blub! Mmm, what a delicious Avengers pizza! I'll eat it and become a superhero right away! Coat a pre-made pizza crust with tomato sauce. Sprinkle it with grated mozzarella on top. Put on salami slices to shape the Avengers logo. Bake the pizza for 10 minutes at 355 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the ready pizza into a box. Attach a printed logo to the top. And who's our client? Venom? You are not in the Avengers! Alright, come in! And here's Spider-Man! Who ordered ketchup? What a great group of friends! We only need Captain America! This gentleman brought napkins! There you go! Everyone's here! Bon appetit, Avengers! Did you like our superfood? Then comment below what you'd cook. An omelet for Hulk, a burger for Deadpool, or French fries for Venom. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new superhero recipes from Troom.